Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to, as promised, make you a Bossche Bol, which is it's a Dutch recipe. It's like an oversized profiterole, which has chocolate on top and then obviously is filled with cream, but it's big. So we're going to give them a go. We've never done this before, so it could go one way or the other.
Yes.
So let's get started.
We need to heat the water and the butter in a saucepan until it melts. Like this. Get to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. I'm going to put the water and the butter. We're going to let that melt.
So you could put hot water in first, just to save time if you wish. And you're just making a dough. What next? Okay, so now we've got this melted. Obviously it's not going to mix together because it's water and grease, isn't it? So it's just going to look like a lava lamp. We have our 90 grams of flour, and we're just going to plonk that in, and it's also got 2 pinches of salt in. Now it looks like porridge, into a ball, like that. Okay, so now your dough should be cold and slightly greasy. Plonk it in a bigger bowl, and put 2 eggs with it.
How are we looking there?
Actually looks very nice. Right, so we've also smoothed them out a little bit. We decided just to go for 2 very similar blobs, that one being slightly bigger, so hoping it works, we have no idea. So, in a 200 degree oven time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
25 to 30 minutes, so set a timer.
While the pastry's in the oven, it's more risky, put the cream and the sugar into a bowl and mix until stiff. So the cream will look like this, so just put it in the fridge, keep it cool while they're in the oven.
Bring them over here. Ta-da! Look. Now they have to go to cool, and that's that. First thing we need to do is break up the chocolate. It does say you don't need a lot, but from experience, traditionally these would be absolutely covered. Okay, now we're melting the chocolate over a double boiler or bain-marie, depending on where you come from and what you prefer to call it. Welcome to the finished...
Oh, that's heavy.
They're very heavy. Yeah, the finished product. And what can we say? They worked very, very well.
Yes.
They did sink a little bit afterwards, but I mean, if you wanted to make them smaller, you probably could, because let's be honest, that is too big for one person. We're just about to go and share this with about 6 people, so it's fine because we can cut them into thirds. But as you can see, this was the one that was a little bit more spread out on the right hand side, and this one was the one that we made a little bit taller. And actually, the one that we made a bit taller worked, I would say, even better. I mean, they're actually meant to be maybe more squat than this, and a little bit taller, but in terms of homemade and
that's pretty
never done it before, that was actually a success.
It
goes very well with coffee. Yes. So that there is what we're going to be doing shortly.
So, we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.